Well, hey kids, my name is Mandy Mover, and welcome to Moving Mondays with Mandy Mover. My name, like I said, is Mandy Mover, and this is my co-host, Lazy Larry. Larry. 1 second. Larry, wake up! Larry, you said you would work out with me. Sleeping.
I was just resting my eyes. You didn't have to hurt my ear.
You're not resting your eyes. I called your name several times and you didn't answer.
Go away.
Come on. You're gonna work out with me today. You said you would. I'm holding you accountable. Come on. All right, everyone.
I think my eardrum is bleeding.
You'll be fine. All right, everyone. So get up off that couch and come work out with us. We're gonna do this workout 2 or 3 times. You can repeat it that many times to get a nice, effective cardio workout. But first, we need 2 things before we get started. Larry, do you remember what those 2 things are?
No.
All right, first thing, water, so we can stay hydrated throughout this workout. Gotta replace that sweat you lose.
I remember that.
There you go. Second thing, our Bibles, because we are turning to our verse for this entire workout series.
I remember that.
Yeah, where is your Bible water then?
I don't have it.
All right, so we're turning to 1 Corinthians 6:20. Again, 1 Corinthians 6:20. All right, it goes like this. You were bought at a price, therefore honor God with your body. And that's what we are gonna do today. We're gonna honor Him by working out, making sure our bodies are healthy. All right, and remember, throughout this workout, see if you can find the red Tyrannosaurus Rex. I'll give you a hint. He likes music, all right? So be sure you're looking for him throughout this entire workout. But other than that, we're gonna go ahead and get started. So get up off the couch, like I said, we're gonna do arm circles first. So go forward, and get tiny, and then get bigger. Make sure you have enough room so you're not whacking your partner. There we go. And now backwards. My shoulders keep cracking. And then go tiny. All right. And now we're gonna do our torso twist. And we've done these in previous weeks. So you're gonna kick and then twist, kick, twist. There you go. Pretend you're chopping something like karate. Hi-ya! Hi-ya! And that's gonna work our abdomen area and torso. How's it going, Larry?
I feel like a ninja, kind of.
There you go. Oh, ow! All right. Are you okay, Larry?
This is why working out is dangerous.
This is why you need enough room between you and your partner. Are you all right?
I think I'm gonna die.
Okay, you're fine. All right, now we're gonna march in place. Warm up those legs. There we go. All right, we are warm now. So I'm gonna go through our workouts that we will be doing today. Larry, you can stop now. Larry. All right, we're gonna be doing our workouts today, okay? So our first one is gonna be burpees. We did this our first week. So remember, Larry, do you remember a burpee? No. Not that. So you're gonna go up and then you're gonna go down to the floor, kick your feet back, kick them back in, and then jump up as high as you can. So we're gonna do that for 30 seconds, and then we're adding 2 new ones today. So for the next one, it's gonna be a plank. You're gonna get down on all fours, you're gonna put your elbows on the ground, and kick your legs back, and you're gonna hold it there.
Well, that doesn't look too hard.
Make sure your butt's not in the air. We want it down so you can put a glass of water on your back and it won't spill. And we're gonna do that for 30 seconds.
That doesn't look so bad. I can do that.
We'll see how you do it then.
Okay.
All right.
Just challenging me.
All right, next we're gonna do jumping jacks. So jumping jacks, you're gonna start just feet chilling, arms at your side, and then you're gonna jump out and put your arms up like this, and then jump in and arms down. So it's gonna go like this. There we go, we're gonna do 30 seconds of that as well. And then that is our workout. So like I said before, feel free to repeat it 2 or 3 times to get a nice workout in, and then we'll cool down after. All right, we'll get started in 10 seconds. Are you ready, Larry?
No.
It'll be good.
I'm really not ready.
You'll be fine.
And there's...
And go!
Oh my word!
There we go. You guys can do it. There we go. Feel that burn. See how far you can jump in the air.
I want my cow!
You can do it, Larry. 5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. All right, get down.
Ow!
Elbows down.
Oh,
Legs back and suck your belly button into your
really
back.
easy. This can't be bad. It's like lying down in the air.
Okay. 15 more seconds.
Never mind. I take it back. I take it back. I hate it. No.
Make sure your back is straight. If you can't hold it, that is okay.
Yeah, like
2, 1. All right, up. We're doing jumping jacks.
No.
Come on, Larry. You can do it. There you go.
I can't. Jack.
15 more seconds. I want to know who this Jack is and why was he jumping all the time?
No, it's called jumping jacks because afterwards you want to do jack squat.
All right, 3, 2, 1, done. Nice job, guys. I'm feeling it in my legs and arms. All right, we're gonna go.
My head.
Are you okay, Larry?
Feel in my head.
We're gonna go into our cool down now. So feet shoulder width apart, and take your arms. Take a deep breath in, and then back down. And one more, in, and then we're gonna go down, but all the way to the floor. Feel that stretch. All right, move over to your right side. Right side, Larry. Here we go. And now walk it over to your left side. Awesome. Now go to your middle and grab both your elbows and just kind of swing back and forth.
Rock, 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 rock.
All right, and then slowly roll it up. That feels so good. All right, now you're gonna take your right arm, put it across your body, and pull it towards the left. There you go, Larry. Feel that nice arm stretch.
Is it normal to feel like you have to throw up?
No. You can take a nice, relaxing nap after this, Larry. All right,
I don't
switch arms.
understand.
What don't you understand?
I should be fine. I had 3 donuts before I came here.
Well, that's probably why you don't feel well.
Why?
Because your belly was full of donuts before we did this.
But they taste so good.
All right, put your arm up, grab your right elbow, and pull it towards the left side.
Bacon maple long johns. I had 3. What?
All right, and switch arms. So what did we learn today, Larry?
The best way to wake somebody up from a very good sleep is through jumping right next to their head.
Well, that too, but what else? Maybe not eat 3 Long John donuts before working out?
Fine, I'll have 2 tomorrow.
No, you shouldn't have any before you work out.
And then what's the point of this? I don't want to do this anymore.
All right, and now, again, finish up with a deep breath in and let it out. All right, you guys. Hey, thanks for joining us today again. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. I've seen a couple of videos of you guys working out alongside me. Pastor Amanda, my twin sister, has shown me, and it just makes me so happy. But we will